If you're suffering from hair wrap frustration, this Shark Navigator lift away eliminates the tedious task of cutting tangled hair from your vacuum roll brush. Its anti-allergen complete seal traps 99.9% of dust and allergens inside using HEPA filtration, keeping them out of your breathing air. The lift-away technology lets you detach the canister for cleaning stairs, furniture, and above-floor areas without dragging the entire vacuum. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability around furniture and tight spaces. The brush roll shutoff feature instantly switches between deep carpet cleaning and gentle bare floor models, while the extra large dust cup reduces emptying frequency during longer cleaning sessions.